Thank you so much. Have a good one. Don't judge me, judge yourself.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning.
Yeah, Estelle, we about to get down.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come kick it with you. You'll be my American boy. He said, hey sister, it's really, really nice to meet ya. I just met this guy for 7.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Sunday. Happy Sunday. Hope you guys are doing well. Just got home. It is 11:24, and what I want to do, because I got to go back out quickly, is just to kind of do a quick reset of the house. Things are just kind of laid around, and I just need to get it picked up. Not clean, but you know, it just don't feel fresh, so I need to make it feel fresh. But we're gonna start over here. Pretty much just open up the curtains, fix the pillars. So let's go. Remember, I got this from Anthropology. I think it's really, really pretty. And this candle from Target is amazing. It smells good. And just because I'm not doing a deep cleaning, I'm not gonna vacuum. I'm probably just gonna just maybe sweep the floor, or yeah. But just like that, my family year is finished.
Looking for new foundation, yeah. And I'm on a new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah.
Let's go into the kitchen. It's messy. I bought this. I think I captured like a little footage of me in TJ Maxx when I was buying this baking sheet. It was $8. I just feel like when you buy expensive one, it doesn't last. So I just bought this really expensive one to go with my old one. Why is it that when throughout the week as you buy stuff, everything just either sits on the kitchen island or sits on the dining table? I bought this Nivea lotion from TJ Maxx, so I'm just gonna open it up.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name's Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes always shade blood burning. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing. What I miss, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to be. Brown sugar.
So guys, typically I would have fresh flowers for the week, but it's been that type of week I haven't gone to the store, so I'm going to use these faux, what's this, olive branches. And I did get this vase from TJ Maxx too. It's a CB2 find at TJ Maxx, go figure. So I'm just going to put this in the middle here. And then I have this, I think like a marble piece I got also from TJ Maxx. You'd be amazed what you can find at TJ Maxx. When it comes to home decor, you find some really nice pieces that's not too expensive. And I see these a lot. So I'm just gonna put the candle on it. And put it right here. So guys, at this side of my kitchen, I'm trying to eliminate my junk drawer as much as possible. Not going the way I want it to go. So I have these cookbooks. I really want to get like really cookbooks that I'm looking to and get ideas to cook. It's a goal. So I have these ones from Joanne Gaines, and I have this charging station I got from Target that has like my charger, a pen, little candle, cutter thing. So I'm trying to have a kind of station where you can just charge your phone and get rid of the junk drawer, but that's not happening. So let's clean this stove off, and then we can move on to the sink area.
Hey, hey, oh, 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 and I can't, and off the bone, and off the bone, take that low. So, presently I'm standing here right now, you're so familiar. Tell me what you want from me.
Now I have a dishwasher going, and I'm just gonna wash these few dishes by hand. I just recently started wearing gloves when I'm doing the dishes because I realized that, hey, I'm getting older, so I'm doing the best I can do to preserve my skin. So let's do this quickly. And I do have some lemons that's going bad. So what I'm going to do is to cut it up, kind of squeeze it in the sink a little bit, and then run the disposal with the lemon. Okay guys, so I'm finished with this area in the kitchen. I want to show you my refresh. It's done. I'm still torn about these pillars with the tag that I got from our house. That's why it's on there. I'm still thinking through, but everything is clean, set for the new week. I create this little area right here off the space. You know, just wanted something right here. So kitchen is clean. Everything is like that. Let's see how long it stays. Nobody's home with me, so we'll stay this way as long as they're not here. But yeah, in the past, I try not to keep stuff on my counter, but I need to see things to know that I have it. We started juicing, so I just keep out the juicer and the stuff that I use to make juice. So it just reminds me to just do it. And I told you guys about this station right here. I can charge my phone and stuff like that. My cooking zone. So I kind of have zones. My cooking zone, my fruit stuff, my sink area, coffee station. It makes sense. And then the island. I don't have any bar on my island right now, but I like it without it. It's way cleaner, so I like it. But I'm thinking I need to get some bar stools because we mainly sit right here. Okay, so I'm gonna do one more quick overview and then we're gonna move on. Up. I did a digital order pickup, so here we go. Hi, Natanya. Thank you. Thank you kindly. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Ooh, I'm gonna kill it. You know what I do? I find me a nice parking space. Let me tell you what I do. Find me a nice parking space away from people watchers and back my car up because I want to see all movements around me. So when I'm eating out, especially Cava, it's a vibe, okay? We need a parking space, we need shade, we need a good YouTube video going because I need my hands. I'll go TikTok, but you gotta swipe, so no. So I need a good YouTube video. going, and I just in my zone. I don't accept any phone calls when I'm eating, because that's my me time. So let me find somewhere, and because today's Sunday, everybody's out, you know. So, and it's a beautiful day here too. I also don't want to be too secluded as well, but I want to be good enough where I can see people and people can see me. Okay, I found a spot. So this is what lemonade is it? Strawberry citrus lemonade. So I got it. I got the large. Don't judge me, judge yourself. And okay, let me show you. Hold on. So this is my Cava, but I'm gonna tell you what it is. So I get a grain bowl. Can I show you? You can see it yourself. Can you see it? Okay, so I got a grain bowl, half white rice, half brown rice, half chicken. I get sweet potatoes. I get the tzatziki sauce with tomato and cucumber, and I get double scoop. I also get fire roasted corn, and I get the yogurt dill on top, and you get a free slice of pita to go with it whenever you order online. No, I was thinking store. But girl, my son got me turned on the Cava, and it's a perfect relationship ever since. I'm not gonna eat on this thing though. But this is her. This is her. Yeah, I'm boarded up. I'll talk to you later. Bye. Love y'all so much. Bye.